One of the most interesting things about the word Antichrist is how we understand it.
What is the Antichrist to you? Is it a system? Is it a person? Is it a place?
You know, I really don't know. I don't know how to answer that.
Have you studied the Bible about what the Antichrist is?
Book of Revelations, yeah.
So what is the Antichrist to you? Is it a system? Is it a person? Is it a place?
I guess it's like, to me, it's an energy source or a type of negative energy.
So do you think the Antichrist is a person, many persons, or a system?
Well, from what it said in the New Testament, the Antichrist was many people.
Do you have any idea of what the Antichrist is? Is it a person? Is it a place or a system?
No, but usually if it has to do with anything regarding religion, I stay away from it.
The Antichrist, is it a system? Is it a person? You were explaining a little bit about it, but what is it in just one or two words?
The Antichrist is actually is a person. I met him actually the other day. It was a white guy. He was becoming saying his name was Jesus. He had a cigarette in his mouth, and he told me he was going to walk across the water.
I think it's a person, yeah.
To you, is the Antichrist something that is here, or that is something from the past, or that will be in the future?
To me, it's a presence. To me, it's a presence that's always here.
The word Antichrist appears just a few times in Scripture, 4 in fact, and always in the writings of John, in his epistles.
Now, the Bible teaches that the word Antichrist not only means against Christ, but actually in the place of Christ.
You don't find the word itself, but just in a few places. But the career and the person of this Antichrist figure, you find it in numerous places. Daniel in the Old Testament primarily, but then in the New Testament, 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, you find it Revelation 13, and Jesus here, obviously speaking to the issue of this Antichrist figure.
The picture we get in the Bible is not necessarily someone who is dark and evil in appearance, but actually someone who appears to be like Christ.